How to create EVM Wallet Address in MetaMask. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MetaMask. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on compass-like option on bottom, which is on right side, bottom right. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find search bar like option on top of your screen. In there, search coredao.org, then press enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on accept selected and then accept all cookies. In here, scroll down at the bottom. After you're on bottom, you'll find add core network. Simply click on add core network and then confirm it. After you confirm, this will be added. Click on got it, and this is how to create EVM wallet address in MetaMask. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.